again, this is Jerry with Hot Wheels Out of Control. I got my new t-shirt on and I got some new caps, not wearing one yet. Today it's all about treasure hunts, all about treasure hunts. Not the ones you're looking for in the stores every day. I'm going to take you back and show you the beginning of Hot Wheels treasure hunts, 1995. So stay tuned, check out my video, watch to the end. I have a very special surprise. We're going to do an unboxing, so you're going to not want to miss this. We're going to go through the first 5 years of the Hot Wheels treasure hunt, car by car. All right, this is the 1995 treasure hunt set. One of these cars came out once a month, starting at car number 1. This is actually the very first Hot Wheels car treasure hunt produced. Came out in January of 1995. It's the old 442, only 10,000 produced. Remember the box set. We're going to talk about that here in just a minute, but this is actually car number 1. The second car is the Gold Passion. Car number 2 came out in February of that year. The Gold Passion. And this is car number 3, probably one of the most valuable, one of the most expensive treasure hunt cars out there. This one you're probably going to pay anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500. I paid $1,100 if you saw my video of my most expensive purchases. But this is car number 3, 1995, and it's the 67 Camaro. Car number 4 of that year, which would be April, was the 57 T-Bird. Again, one of 10,000. The second most valuable car in this set, or most sought after, is this one here, the VW Bug. It's kind of a fluorescent green, beautiful car. This one, you're gonna pay about $500 for it if you can find it. Again, it's one of 10,000, and this is car number 5. Came out in May of 1995. Car number 6, 63 split window Corvette. Came out in June of 1995. Again, there's only 10,000 of each of these cars. Car number 7 was the Stutz Blackhawk. This would be the car from July of 95. Car number 8 was the Rolls Royce Phantom 2. This would have been the car of August. Car number 9 was the Classic Caddy, September of 95. Beautiful car. Remember, this is a very sought after set. Number 10 of 1995 came out in October, was the Nomad, one of 10,000 once again. Car number 11, the Classic Cobra, came out in November of 1995. Another beautiful car. Remember, these are all first edition, the first year of the treasure hunt. And car number 12 of that year was the 31 Doozy. Look at that beautiful car. Again, all of these are one of 10,000, but maybe you're not able to find all of these on the card individually, so keep watching the video. So if you weren't lucky enough to find this first edition 1995 Hot Wheels treasure hunt set on the pegs, you could always go to the 1995 Christmas catalog. We're going to open it right here to this page right here, and there it is. You guys see it right there. All 12 1995 treasure hunts, all in one original packaging, and I'll show you that packaging right now. And what did it cost in the whole set? There it is, $299.99. What a bargain back then. And this is the 1995 treasure hunt set that came from Penny's. I believe there are only 1,500 sets of these made. Remember, there were only 10,000 of each car. So there weren't that many on the shelf, about 8,500. You figure there were about 2,000 Walmart stores in the United States back then. That's not very many cars available. So that's the 1995 JCPenney treasure hunt set. This set sells right now in the box set for over $3,000. Moving on to 1996. The very first car that came out in January of that year was this one here, the 40s Woody. Again, these are one of 25,000. It says right up here. Remember, Series 1 from 1995 was only one of 10,000. I think they should have kept them all at 10,000, but they didn't. This is car number 1, 1996. Car number 2 of 1996. This is the Auburn 852. Came out in February of 1996. Again, one of 25,000. There's the number 3 car of 1996. This is the Ferrari 250. Very cool looking car. Car number 3 came out in March of 1996. Car number 4, 4 of 12, the Jaguar XJ220. Again, 1 of 25,000, came out in April of that year, 1996. Car number 5, the 59 Caddy. Again, 1 of 25,000. Car number 5 came out in May, 1996. This is car number 6, and it is the Dodge Viper RT10. Coming in at car number 6, 1996, 6 of 12. Very cool car. Car number 7 was a 57 Chevy. This was July of 96, this car came out. Again, a Treasure Hunt Series, 1996. Car number 8, August of 96, again, 25,000 produced. This is the Ferrari 355. What a beautiful car. These old treasure hunts are very cool. You notice how easy it is to recognize them. It's not that easy anymore. They made it a little bit harder, but this is August of 96. Coming in at car number 9 of 96, this is the 58 Corvette. What a beautiful car. 1 of 25,000 again. Came out in September of 96. The 58 Corvette. Car number 10, October 96. Here it is, the Lamborghini Countach. Once again, 25,000 made, and this was car number 10. This is car number 11, another Dodge in the 96 set with the Viper. This is the Dodge Ram 1500. Number 11 came out in November of 96. What a cool truck. And the last car that came out in 96 treasure hunt set, car number 1212, 12 of 12, was the 37 Bugatti. So if you weren't able to get all 12 cars from the 1996 treasure hunt set, again, these were available in JCPenney catalog. And there they are, right there on the bottom. You can see them right there. There they are right there. And what do they cost? $299.99. That was for the 96 treasure hunt set. And these have pretty much retained their value. You can actually still get this set for about 300 bucks. Not very hard at all, period. And this is the set you would have got from JCPenney's for your $299.99. A complete set of 1996 treasure hunt cars, all packaged in one awesome display box. I believe there were about 2,500 of these sets, but there was actually 25,000 cars produced. So that's why the value on these is much less. You can still get this set for about 300 bucks and maybe a little bit more, but it's the second edition 1996 treasure hunt set. Moving on to the 1997 treasure hunt series. This is the third series, and this is the 56 Flash Cider. Car number 1 came out in January 1997. The number 2 car that came out that year was a Silhouette 2, kind of patterned after the original Silhouette from 1968. And this one is the number 2 car of 12. Here's treasure hunt, car number 3, limited edition treasure hunt, 1997. This is the Mercedes 500 SEL, number 3 of 12. This would have been released in March of 97. Car number 4, the Street Cleaver. And you notice on these, it just says limited edition. I'm not even sure how many they made of this year. It doesn't say on the corner. I bet they made at least 25,000 or more, but this is the treasure hunt number 4. Came out in April of 1997. Car number 5, the GM Lean Machine. Car number 5, this would have been May of 97. Car number 6, the Hot Rod Wagon. Car number 6, June of 1997. This car was released to the stores. Car number 7, July of 1997, the Olds Aurora. Car number 7 of the treasure hunt series that year. And here's car number 8, August of 1997. This is the Dogfighter. It's the Dogfighter, August of 1997. Car number 9 of 1997, the Buick Wildcat, 9 of 12. Car number 9 of the 1997 Treasure Hunt Series, Buick Wildcat. Car number 10, the Blimp, the Hot Wheels Blimp in this case, Treasure Hunt, number 10 of 12. Again, not sure of the number produced, probably at least 25,000, but this was the October car of 1997. Car number 11, the Avis Quattro, November of 1997. This was the car that month for the treasure hunt. 11 of 12, Avis Quattro. And the very last car released in 1997, number 12 of 12, the Railroader Treasure Hunt Series. The last car released in 1997. Once again, if you couldn't find the cars in stores, if you couldn't get all 12, you could get the 1997 JCPenney Christmas catalog. And there they are, right there in the corner. Look at that, 300 bucks for 12 cars. These have not really held their value up. You can get them for much less than that now in the box set. Anywhere from 150, 200 bucks, very, very easy. But this is the third release. I'm not sure how many of these cars they made. They really didn't publicize it. But the box set, there were 5,000. Remember, compared to the first set of 1995, only 1,500. And that's why those are so rare. And here's the 1997 complete set of 12. Right here, you see it says 5,000 produced of this set. Remember, there's who knows how many cars. In 1995, there was 10,000 total cars. 96, there was 25,000. Once it got to 97, I'm not sure what it was. It doesn't say on the card. So this set you can get for a pretty reasonable price. We are now up to the 98 Treasure Hunt Series. Came out in 1998. Again, these, don't know how many there were of these on the number. We'll talk about the box set, how many there were in the box set. But this is car number 1 of 1998. This is the Twain Thing. The Twain Thing, car number 1. Car number 2 of 1998 is the Scorchin' Scooter Limited Edition Treasure Hunt. You see it right there. Car number 2, February 1998. Car number 3, March of 98, was the Kenworth T600A. Treasure Hunt of March 1998. Car number 4, 1998, was the 3-window 34. Number 4 in the series of 98. This came out in April 1998. Car number 5, the Turbo Flame, May of 1998. This was car number 5 in the Treasure Hunt series. This is car number 6, the Salt Flat Racer. Car number 6, June of 1998. Car number 7, July of 98. This was the Street Beast. Car number 7 that year came out in 1998, July of 98. Car number 8 was the Road Rocket in the Treasure Hunt series. Came out in August of 98. This is 8 of 12. Again, there's 12 in each of these series. And this is, again, the Road Rocket. Car number 9, September of 98, the Solaire CX-4. Car number 9, September 1998, this car was released. Car number 10, 1998, this was the 57 Chevy, the cool 57 Chevy. And car number 11, the Stingray 3. This is a concept car, Stingray 3. November of 1998 Treasure Hunt series. And the last car released in 1998 was car number 12, December, the Way Too Fast in the Treasure Hunt series. All right, we've already counted down the first 4 years. We have one more year from the 90s treasure hunts left, and we're going to talk more about treasure hunts. And I have that surprise unboxing at the end, so please stay tuned. The year was 1998, and yes, Hot Wheels came out with another year of treasure hunts. And again, if you couldn't find them in stores, there's the 1998 JCPenney Christmas catalog. I got it marked right here to the page. There they are right in the corner. $300 for all 12 cars. Again, there were 5,000 of these sets released. $300. They really don't go for that much anymore, but they're a very cool set. And if you look right there next to it, there's actually the 30th anniversary set from the spoilers, a very cool set that came out that year. And here's the 4th edition treasure hunt set, 1998. 4th edition right there. Again, this shows 5,000 sets made. Not sure how many of each car, it really doesn't say on these, but we knew there were 5,000 of these sets. You could probably pick up this set for under 200 bucks in the JCPenney box set. Very cool set to have. This is my era, so I had to have all of them. All right, this is the last treasure hunt series from the 90s. This is the 1999 treasure hunt set. You see it right there. This is car number 1 of 12. This is the Mercedes 540K. Starting the countdown. This came out in January 1999. Car number 2 was the T-Bird Stalker. February 1999, limited edition. Again, I'm not sure the number of these. We'll talk more about the box sets. I believe there's either 3,500 or 5,000 in the box set, but you're gonna see more about that in this video right after this. Car number 3, a 97 Corvette. What a beautiful car. This is car number 3, March of 1999. Car number 4, the Rigger motor. This is April of 99. This car was released. Again, this is the last treasure hunt series of the 90s. 1999, this is actually series number 5 from Mattel. Car number 5, there's a Ferrari 512M. Car number 5, 1999 treasure hunt set. Car number 6 is the 59 Impala. What a beautiful car, little lowrider. Limited edition, 1999. Came out in June of 1999. Car number 7, the Hot Wheels 500. This is car number 7 of 12, 1999 release. That would be July of 1999. This car was released to the stores. Here's car number 8, the Jaguar D-Type. August of 1999. September of 1999 saw car number 9, the 32 Ford Delivery. Again, the 1999 Treasure Hunt series. You can see it right here in big green letters. They're not that easy to find anymore, are they? Car number 10, the Hot Seat, October 1999. And here's car number 11, the Mustang Mach-1, one of my favorites. This is such a beautiful car. Get that one up close a little bit more. That car is just beautiful. It's the 1999 Treasure Hunt series, came out in November 1999. And this was the very, very last car released in the 90s, the 99 car number 12 Express Lane, car number 12. Released in December of 1999. Finishes up all the cars in this video. Be sure and stay tuned for my surprise. This is the 5th edition of the Treasure Hunt. And again, JCPenney gift Christmas catalog. You go to the page I have marked. There they are, right up there on top. They made them a little bit bigger and bolder. The 12 treasure hunts all in one set. Let's open it up a little bit more. And you see the cost right there, $300. JCPenney catalog. And this is the 1999 treasure hunt set. But this, you'll notice, they dropped these back to one of 3,500. Remember the last couple sets was 5,000. Maybe they thought they weren't selling good enough, but this is the 1990 set, the last treasure hunt set of the 90s. Again, this set you could probably pick up for about 100 bucks, maybe 150 bucks. In the JCPenney box sets. Series 5, this is the 5th edition of the Treasure Hunt. The first 60 Treasure Hunt cars, they came out from Mattel from 1995 to 1999. Okay, right now we're gonna do an unboxing. I promised you guys an unboxing here at the end of the video, and here it is. So let's see what we got. And there it is. Wow. The Hot Wheels Nemesis. This set just came out a couple weeks ago and they're already here. Let's take a look at it, shall we? There it is, the Hot Wheels Nemesis. What a beautiful, beautiful truck. And that is a Transformer series. What do you guys think of that? I ended up getting 3 of these. Leave me a comment what you guys think of my video. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends. Leave a comment if you want. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, we're Hot Wheels. We're out of control, man. Love the Hot Wheels.